Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Mom Gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to celebrate the incredible journey of motherhood, offering a unique opportunity to express gratitude and love for the amazing women who nurture and guide us through life's adventures, making every moment special and memorable. Number 5. NewEleven Valentine's Day Gifts for Mom 12-ounce Tumbler. Looking for a unique and fun gift for the special mom in your life? This 12-ounce tumbler is designed to bring a smile to her face with every sip. While it's perfect for her favorite wine, this versatile tumbler is also ideal for coffee, cocktails, or any beverage she enjoys. It's designed to keep drinks at the perfect temperature. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this tumbler is built to last. It's unbreakable, rust-resistant, and sweat-proof, making it perfect for any occasion. Featuring double-wall vacuum insulation, it excels at maintaining both hot and cold liquid temperatures. Enjoy your drinks just the way you like them, for longer. Show your mom how much she means to you with this beautiful and original gift. It's a wonderful surprise for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Whether she's a new mom, a bonus mom, or the best mother-in-law, this tumbler is a thoughtful present. It's a trendy and cute way to celebrate her. What we like? This tumbler features a fun and sassy design that's sure to bring a smile to any mom's face. Its double-wall insulation keeps drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. If you're looking for a gift that's both humorous and practical for a mom who enjoys her wine or coffee, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It fit her perfectly, plus it was a useful gift that made something that she could use on a daily basis because it's a thermal drinking cup that came with a metal straw, so that's quality product. Great quality, keeps beverages cold. Came on time. Exactly as advertised. Great quality and very pretty color. Number 4. Benevolence LA Mama Necklace. Discover the exquisite Mama Necklace, a symbol of love and connection. This beautiful piece is designed to celebrate motherhood. Crafted with a luxurious gold dip, it offers a touch of elegance to any outfit. Its fine finish ensures lasting beauty. Looking for the ideal gift for a new mom? This necklace is a thoughtful and cherished present for her special journey. Celebrate the incredible moms in your life with this stunning gold mom necklace. It's a timeless piece she'll adore. Make her birthday unforgettable with this unique and stylish accessory. It's a gift that speaks volumes of your affection. Even while traveling, she can carry a piece of home. This fashionable jewelry is a perfect travel accessory for women on the go. Experience the touch of California design with this beautifully crafted necklace. It blends style and sentiment perfectly. What we like? This necklace offers a chic and stylish way to celebrate motherhood. The gold-dipped finish adds a touch of luxury, making it a beautiful accessory. If you want to gift a new mom a piece of jewelry that's both fashionable and meaningful, this is an excellent option for everyday wear. What people say. This is a great gift for expecting mothers. The product is well made and very useful. It arrived quickly and was beautifully packaged. Number 3. Drinking for Two Mocktails. Discover a world of delicious and nutritious mocktails designed specifically for expectant mothers. Enjoy special moments with beverages that cater to your unique needs during this exciting time. From the first trimester to the last, find the perfect refreshing drink to suit your cravings and dietary requirements. These mocktails are crafted to support your well-being throughout your pregnancy journey. We use only the finest, pregnancy-safe ingredients to create our delightful mocktails. You can savor every sip, knowing you're choosing a healthy and wholesome option for yourself and your baby. Elevate your celebrations with our exquisite mocktail recipes. Whether it's a baby shower or a quiet evening at home, these drinks add a touch of sparkle to your special moments. Experience the perfect blend of essential nutrients and delightful flavors. These mocktails are a testament to the fact that healthy choices can also be incredibly enjoyable and satisfying. Make these mocktails your new favorite way to stay hydrated and nourished. They are the ideal companion for every mom to be seeking delicious and guilt-free indulgence. What we like? This book provides delicious and healthy non-alcoholic drink recipes specifically curated for expectant mothers. It offers a delightful way to enjoy flavorful beverages without the alcohol. If you know someone who is pregnant and looking for creative, safe, and tasty drink options, this is the perfect gift to help them indulge. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for sensitive skin. The adjustable waistband provides a comfortable and customizable fit throughout pregnancy. This gift set includes a variety of useful items, such as a nursing pillow, a maternity robe, and a set of baby onesies. Number 2. Letters to my baby, right now. Read later. Treasure forever. This is a unique journal designed to help you capture all the precious moments of your baby's life. It's a beautiful way to preserve memories for years to come. You can write down your thoughts and feelings now, and your child can read them later when they are older. It's a gift that will be cherished forever. This journal becomes a timeless treasure, filled with your personal reflections and stories. It's a way to connect with your child on a deeper level. With simple prompts and plenty of space, it's easy to fill these pages with love. You can revisit these memories anytime you wish. Give the gift of your words and memories. This journal is a heartfelt way to show your love and create a lasting legacy. What we like. This journal offers a unique way to capture thoughts and feelings for a child to read in the future. It's a deeply personal and sentimental gift that creates a lasting legacy. If you're looking for a heartfelt present that encourages reflection and connection across time, this is an ideal choice for a new or expecting parent. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for sensitive skin. The adjustable waistband ensures a comfortable fit throughout pregnancy. The design is versatile and can be worn for various occasions, from casual outings to formal events. Number 1. Baby Hand and Footprint Frame Keepsake Kit. Cherish your baby's precious hand and footprints with this all-inclusive kit. It comes with everything you need to create a lasting memory for your nursery or mantle. Make it uniquely yours. The bonus stencil kit allows you to personalize the keepsake with names and birth dates, creating a heartwarming milestone marker. Our non-toxic clay is designed for ease of use and is completely safe for your baby's delicate skin. Simply knead, roll, and press for a perfect impression. This personalized keepsake kit is a wonderful gift for any occasion. It's a hit among new parents, grandparents, and makes a thoughtful baby shower present. Turn your baby's tiny hands and feet into a treasured keepsake. Order today and create a unique, personalized gift for your loved ones. What we like. This kit allows you to create a beautiful, tangible memory of your baby's tiny hands and feet. It's designed for ease of use and includes everything needed for a perfect keepsake. If you want to capture a precious milestone in a way that can be displayed and cherished forever, this is the ultimate newborn gift. What people say. The glass is thick and strong. The frame is of good quality and the clay is easy to mold and work with. The clay was easy to knead. It barely took 15 minutes from start to finish. Let it dry for 24 hours and you are done. This is the cutest picture frame for my baby's room. Highly recommend. It works best to line up the words with the stamp. Otherwise the stamps will cause the clay to cave unless another stamp is there to keep the form. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.